Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make eggless cookies. For that I'll use 225 grams of refined flour, 150 grams of unsalted butter, but you can also use salted butter, it's up to you, and 75 grams of powdered sugar. And for the topping I'll use some dark chocolate chips and almonds, which I'll chop later. So to start the recipe, I'll just put this paddle attachment to my mixture and add these three ingredients into the bowl. Start the machine on low speed. I'll mix these ingredients until they form a soft dough. Now I don't need any liquid for this recipe. Now the dough is ready, so I'll just take this off from the paddle, and then I'll transfer the dough to my workstation. And now I will wrap this dough in a plastic film and now I will store this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now the dough has been in the fridge for around 30 minutes and it's become quite hard. So I'll remove it from the plastic film and sprinkle some flour on top of it and also on top of my workstation. Now I will spread this dough out into a thin sheet. I'm just making sure that the dough is not breaking. It's okay if it breaks from the sides, but make sure it's intact from the center. And at about this thickness, around 1 centimeter, I'll add the toppings. On the left side, I'll add the choco chips, and on the right side I'll add the chopped almonds. Little more chocolate chips. And now I'll just lightly press them . Now the dough is ready. I'll use a cookie cutter to cut them into a round shape. The colder your dough is, the better it will retain the shape. And lightly dust my baking tray so that the cookies do not stick to it. And now I will carefully place the cookies on top of the tray. And now I will bake them at 160 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes. And now it's been around 20 minutes. The cookies, I think, are baked. Yes, they are golden brown. So I'll take them out. And I will let them cool for around 15 minutes and then I'll plate them.